Ladies, this is gonna change your life if you take this on a daily basis. Let's take a look. Every day, I take a turmeric ginger with orange shot daily for my immune system's energy levels, for my overall health. This is absolutely amazing and it will do wonders for you. Super easy. You're gonna get an orange, you're gonna get a lemon, you're gonna get some cucumber, and at times I actually add a celery, but this time we're gonna add cucumber. We're gonna go ahead and take a shot of this. Watch. All right, so you're gonna get an orange, you're gonna peel it, you're gonna get a lemon and peel it, and then we're gonna get some cucumbers. We're gonna add it to the juicer so we can extract the juice. And I typically get a handful portion of cucumbers. And then let's go ahead and add this to the juicer. Then after you get your juice, we're gonna add it to the bullet. We're gonna get 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger. I'm gonna add some cinnamon dash in there, a little bit of honey. Close this up and let's shake this baby away. When I have the shot ready, I will add a touch of honey and boom, here we go. Wow, this is amazing. Telling you, you ladies take this every day and you will not get sick. That's guaranteed. Hope you guys enjoy this. And if you like this and more of these tips, subscribe to my channel. It's one click away.